people, today we're working on something, and as you might know, I like using super clean on everything and just seeing how it works. I've got the front of the Focus right there soaking because of all the bugs it's killed, so I've got some of the super clean foaming soaking on that bumper. But what I tried was, as you see, this headlight on the Suburban, pretty foggy, you know, it sits outside, it's got all that summer sun. This one's kind of dulled out, and so I thought, well, hey, let's just spray this, see what happens. So here's what happened. These are old headlights. They need to be replaced. I don't want to replace them, but I want to make them look a little bit better. This one just needs to be thrown away. But what was interesting to see was to take the foaming super clean here on this headlight and see what happened. Now, it was definitely the best to use this white t-shirt because this is what came off after spraying this headlight. So let me spray some on here, and we'll try to get some live action here. Find the best part of this shirt, and you can just see though how it's grinding off, and it's fascinating. What happens, it does clean really well. There we go. Sorry for the up close. Get the bug guts off. So you can see it's pulling off the yellow. It'll leave a little bit foggy of a finish there. And look, this is what comes off. Now, normally I would use like an off bug spray. That's what I've used in the past, just for a quick headlight fix. But now, I'd recommend using your super clean foaming, because if you haven't watched our channel enough already, you should have some of the super clean on hand anyways. All the varieties. The concentrate, the spray, the wheel cleaner, the foaming can, aerosol. You should just have it all. Kind of like we have it all. So, but it's very interesting how well that works. This side's not quite as bad. So we've got this portion soaked here. And it just really, and like I said, these really just need to be replaced. You can see all the grime and gunk here. So, you know, we're picking on little stuff here. But it's interesting to see, you know, the product. I don't think Super Clean would necessarily recommend right off the bat cleaning your headlights. But having used the off bug spray and or, you know, cutter or whatever, it works very, very similar. See how much better that looks already? And then obviously we'll take our plastics by Meguiar's and recoat that, and then it'll look just like this side with a nice gloss to it. Yeah. So you guys saw what this looked like before. So let me use some of the plastics here. It'll be a little bit harder to do this and film, but once I get done with that, I'll turn the camera back on and show you. Alrighty, so there you go. If you want a quick fix for cleaning up junky headlights, you saw what it looked like before with that yellow hue to it. First off, wipe it down with some super clean, give it a good scrub. Then take some Meguiar's plastics, and it looks better. It's not perfect, but you've also saved about 100 and 120 bucks. You probably have to do it again in a few months, but it gives it a better look right off the bat. So there's a little cheap hack for you there if you want it. And thanks again to our friends at Super Clean for such an amazing product.